How to add or remove Assistive Access to the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Next, tap on the Add button at the top corner. Then we go down and tap on Add a control. Next, scroll down. And then in the Accessibility section, tap on Assistive Access, and that control will be added to the control center. Now, if you want to remove it, you can tap on the Remove button on the corner there to remove the Assistive Access control. So we go back in here and let's add it back in. And that's it. Now swipe up to close or get out of the edit mode, and then swipe up again to return back to the home screen. Now, whenever you want to quickly get access to that control, you can just tap on it in the control center. And this will quickly open up the Assistive Access. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.